Let's today discussion function topic. Function. Function is a special case of relation. Relation and function. Every function is a relation, but every relation is not a function. Definition of function. A function is a special case of relation where every element of first set any domain has on and only on output in second set codomain. Yes. Function में f function a to b, f maps a to b. This first set a, this is a domain, and second set b, this is a codomain. A and b. One connect to A, two connect to B, three connect to C, four connect to D. This is a function. Yes, this is a function because every element of first set is on output, and then it is a function. This is called image, image or output, pre-image or input. A is the image of one, or one is the pre-image of A. B is the image of 2, and 2 is the pre-image of B. C is the image of 3, and 3 is the pre-image of C. Some another example. This is a function? Not. This is not a function because every element of first set are one output, but there is the four element. There this element have no any output. So this is not a function. This is not a function. This is a function. One connect to A, two connect to B, three connect to C. This is a function. Yes, this is a function because there are three elements in a set A, and every element of set is one output, and this is a function. This is a function. Not because one is the only one output, two is the only output, but three have two output. Three have three has two outputs, so this is not a function. This is a function. Yes, this is a function. One has one output, two has one output, three has one output, four has one output. This is a function. This this symbol, look, this symbol just less than, this symbol is less than, and this symbol is greater than, and the less than symbol is not a function, and greater than symbol is a function. Less than symbol is not a function, greater than symbol is a function. But many students confuse how to remember this is this is confusion, less than or greater than, how to. Then another way, first set A and I first set pigeon, and second set whole. There are three pigeon and there are four whole. This pigeon, this whole, this pigeon, this whole. Same time, one pigeon can go two whole. No, same time one pigeon cannot go two holes. So this is not function. This is not function. Same time, not any after 1 minute, after 2 minutes. No, same time one pigeon cannot go to two holes, but another pigeon hole. But same time two pigeon can go on hole. Same time two pigeon can go on hole. So this is a function. This pigeonhole property. First you can say any check. First set is a pigeon and second set is a hole, and then mapping. This condition fulfilled. This is a function. That condition not fulfilled. That this is not a function. Check this relation. Check this relation is a function or not. Relation are a comma b and a square equal to b and a equal to minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 and b is the element of 0 1 2 3 3 4, and here say 1 belongs to a element or b belongs to second element. And this is a function or not? This is a set and this is b set. A minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 and b 0 1 2 3 4 and a square equal to b. A square minus 2 square equal to 4. Then this is connect this. Minus 1 equal to 1, 0 equal to 0, 1 equal to 1 and 2 equal to 4. This is a function. As this is a function, every element of first set is on output. Then this is a function. This is a function. And another, and a same question, only b changes. This is not include 0 in b element. Zero is not included in set b. A square equal to 2 square equal to 4, minus 1 equal to 1, 0 not 1 2 2 4. This is a function not, because the one this element has no any output, so this is not a function. Graphical test. Graph of function. Vertical line test. Vertical line test. Y equal to x square. Draw the graph of x square. And vertical line means parallel to y axis. So then draw the parallel to y axis and cut only on point. Then this is a function. Other y square equal to x, and this is vertical line. Draw the vertical line, and this is the function have 2 point cuts, this point and this point. Then this is a not function, just x and y. X just 1, or is just 2, or is just -2, and on -2 and 2. One one pigeon cannot go same time two holes, and this is a not a function. Vertical line test. This line only one point cuts. Then this is a function. Total number of function. The total number of function, and or the total number of constant function. Constant function. Function FUNCTION, but I short for written FUN. This is function short form. And on connect to this element, or this element, this element. One has three choice. One has three choice. Same. Two has three choice. Three has three choice. Four has three choice. So 3 to the power 4. 3 to the power 4. And A is the A has M element, and B has an element. The total number of function n to the power m. The total number of function n to the power m. Total number of function n to the power n. And total number of constant function. Can you see? This is a function. Yes, this is a function. Another way. This is a function. Yes, this is a function. So 3C1 3. So that A have m element and B has n element. A has m element, B has n element. The total number of constant function n C on equal to n. Now the classification of function. Classification of function. Classification of function. First, 1 1 or yeah, injective or injection. 1 function. And second, many on function. Many on function. 1 means one element connect to one output, A and B. This is a on-one function. On connect to one element. On connect to one element. This is a on-one function. this is a function, yes, this is a function, but this is a many one function. 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 Many and output one. Many one. Two input and output one. So one output, one input, one output is a one function, but more than one input and output one. This is a many one function. Many one function. Know that. This is a one function. Yes, this is a one function. Only one this element only one output. This element only one output. This element only one output. This is a one function. So now this is a one function. Note: if fx1 equal to fx2 implies x1 equal to x2, then fx is 1 otherwise many one function. Second note: graphically, if a horizontal line can cut function then fx is 1 otherwise many one function. Third note: monotonic functions are always one function. Second, graph function test vertical line, but graph one function test horizontal line. One function test horizontal line. One function test horizontal, just y equal to x square. Then horizontal line means parallel to x axis. There are only ones, then one otherwise many one. This is the 2 points cut. This graph. This one minus 1, or this line 2, just x is 1 minus 1, y is 2. Then this is a many one. Just 2 pigeon same time can go to one hole. This is a many one. This is a one. Understood? Then total number of function, and there are three elements. Equal to, there are 3 elements and there are 4 elements, less than, and there are 4 elements and there are 3 elements, greater than. Of the total number of one function, the total number of one function, the total, A is the m element or B is the n element. A is the m element and B is the n element. Then m less than n. M less than equal to n. M is the m element. M less than or equal to, then one function. So 1 n c m into m factorial. Just 3 4 c3 and 3 3 is the arrange. 3 1 connect to B, other 2 connect to A, 3 connect to C, 1 connect to 2 connect to B, 3 connect 2 connect to B, 3 connect to A. Just so this is a 1 function, and greater than m greater than n, there is no 1 is a many one function. So this is 0. So the total number of many on function m less than or equal to n, total function equal to 1 plus many one a many one equal to total minus 1 1. So m less than n, so the total function n to the power m minus n cm into m factorial, n m greater than n, total n to the power m minus 0, so n to the power m. Understood? And now there are third function into and fourth function onto. into function मतलब range not equal to codomain, and onto function surjective or surjection. Range equal to codomain, and this is onto function. This is a into function because range is range A, B, C, D, and codomain A, B, C, D, E, and range not equal to codomain. Then this is a onto function. This is m element. This is n element. Then the total number of into function. The total number of into function m less than n is n to the power m, and this is into function. This is onto function. This is onto into function? Yes. Range not equal to codomain. This is D. Range not equal to codomain. This range A, B, C, and codomain A, B, C, D. The range not equal to codomain. And this is a into function. Sometimes another way make into this is into two function, not two elements. are not include. So this is into function. So, just 4c1 and 4 minus 1 to the power 5. Inclusion exclusion principle for permutation combination. This is add minus this 4c2 4 minus 2 to the power 5 plus 4c3 4 minus 3 to the power 5 minus 4c4 and 4 minus 4, then is the 0. The 0 into 1 is 0. So n c1 n minus 1 to the power m minus n c2 n minus to the power m plus n c3 n minus 3 to the power m minus alternative sign minus n c4 n minus 4 to the power m dot dot m greater than or equal to n. M greater than equal to n. This is a into function. And now the total number of onto function m less than n total function equal to into plus 1 to, so 1 to equal to total minus into the total n to the power m or minus n to the power m 0. So m equal to n, then n factorial or m greater than n, then this is onto function, then n to the power m minus n c on n minus 1 to the power m minus n c2 n minus to the power m plus n c3 n minus 3 to the power m minus dot dot dot. This is a onto function. Understood? And A, B set this is on 1 and into 1 and into function. Range not equal to codomain, and of every element of set is a on output, and range not equal to codomain and two elements is a on output. So many one and into. This is on 1 and on 2. This is on n and on 2. This is a many one and on 2. Many one and on 2. On both on 1 and 1 2, then it is called bijective function, bijective function or bijection or bijection function, both 1 1 and 1 2, then it is called bijection function or bijective function. Thank you.